Hey foodies, welcome back to my channel. So, in the night kitchen and you just want to whip up something fast. It was unintentional, so I had it recorded and this is it. Let's make some reggae shrimp. Yeah, man. All right, so this is it. It was not intentional, so I was like, hey, let me just whip up something fast. I made some seasoned rice. I was like, I think I want some shrimp, and I looked in the freezer. I had probably about 10 shrimp left over in my bag, so about 6 ounces of shrimp. Just putting some seasoning on it. You just take it on unturned fashion. I was like, okay, I've seen reggae, people make reggae shrimp, do the tricolor peppers. I have those on hand. Just dropping some all-purpose seasoning on the shrimp. Shrimp doesn't require a lot of seasoning because it has its own natural flavor. And these wild Patagonian pink shrimp, they look cooked, but they're not cooked. They have that lobster taste and texture, nice and buttery. So I'm dropping all-purpose seasoning, jerk seasoning, and my green seasoning, and that's it. So it, like I said, doesn't require a lot. I'm gonna drop this in my coconut oil, which is gonna give it that nicer flavor. And if you wanna add this to any seafood, it will go perfect. Okay, so here are the ingredients. I'm not even gonna I didn't have time to put my gloves on. That's how quick it was. So I'm doing this with no hands, right? So just mixing it up with my spoon. I'm gonna drop it in the frying pan, saute it a little, add my additional ingredients, which is about a quarter of a red, green, and gold, the sweet pepper, half of an onion. I have thyme, and that's it. All right, so my pan is already on medium heat, and these are extra large shrimp. And just like I said, just toss them around. I'm gonna also drop the my seasoning that I already have cut up right next to them. Is what I'm gonna do, so everything could be cooking at one time. Just 5 minutes, and the stove was off. No, because shrimp don't need no length of time. So yeah, so get everything going at the same time. Drop them right in, and the shrimp, like I said, within a few minutes, it's ready to go. All right, and while you are enjoying these videos, just, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, the notification bell, drop your comments in the comment section. Tell me how you're liking these videos, and, continue to share them with your friends and family. All right. And yeah, just continue to toss this around the pan. And like I said, all I'm adding after this is just some sweet chili sauce and some pineapple Ciroc. All right, and if you're looking for these great kitchen tools, don't forget to look in my description box, my Amazon link, shop my Amazon storefront. All that details will be in the description box. All right, look how beautiful that looks. Okay, so it's basically ready. I've been probably tossing it for like 3 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and drop the pineapple Ciroc in here, probably about a quarter of a cup. And then I'm gonna put some sweet chili sauce, and that's it. Nothing else. And don't let people tell you that you can't cook with wine or alcohol. The alcohol is gonna burn off anyway. So the kids are nobody is gonna be drunk after eating this. Okay, it burns off the alcohol. It's just that nice flavor that it gives it. And there it is. It is ready. Like nothing else to it. 5 minutes. Whip up this shrimp. So you can have this done in 10 minutes. Shrimp in less than 10 minutes, because shrimp does, like I said, does not need any length of time. And you have this delicious meal right before your eyes. It was so good. It went great with the seasoned rice. All right, so you can put this with any rice, some baked potato, mashed potato. All right, so thank you again for watching, and continue to watch, and thanks for the love and the support and the feedback. And yeah, I will see you on the next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.